Well, that first coat made that top pop out, and I have yet to put the oil on the rest of it, but I'm slowly trying to get all the sawdust picked up off this floor. And I used to have the spindle sander sitting over there on that bench. Y'all probably saw it, but that's actually my assembly table, because I have a bench mounted bar clamp on the back side of it that I'd like to use. And this machine just sits on there and doesn't move around, because I drilled some holes in the bottom and just put some dowel rods in there. And then in the bottom I have the corresponding matching holes, and that's all just sandwiched in there. And that way when you're sanding, it doesn't want to walk across the tabletop on you. And it fits in there pretty good. This is the machine stand that you've seen me build. And yeah, I'll probably put some doors on it. But for right now, I want to get the linseed oil put on it, get some casters put on the bottom, and I may have to beef up that bottom portion of the foot with maybe another 2x4 so that the casters can screw on it. I'm not sure, just depending on the size of the mounting plate. But this is where I plan on having my rigid sander over here on the end, so that my wood can travel this direction. And I thought, well, why not have my K5 jig right here mounted somewhere right middle of it, so that as when you're looking down this way, my long boards can miss the machine. And over here I got plenty of room. Then when I get ready to use my planer, I just flop this down and it misses the K5. So I've got 3 workstations on this tabletop. And of course the front end, it just flops down this way, and the wood flow will be going back in that direction. So I'm real pleased. I got to do a little bit of work on my spindle sander though. Got to run to town to Capital Machine to get a die that with left-hand thread, so I can clean these threads up a bit. My knob, and it's laying over on another bench, goes about 5 or 6 revolutions and it gets hard and it won't screw down all the way. And you got to have this compression on this so that it swells up to hold this, so when the spindle's turning, this will all turn. But other than that, believe it or not, even though I still have sawdust on the floor, it is a world of difference than what it was this morning when I started. So we'll see you guys later.